Hello everyone, here I'm back with my fifth lecture of Geography chapter Agriculture. In my last lecture, I had taught you about all the non-food crops, that is rubber, silk, cotton and jute. Here we will study about national economy. So let's start the topic. We had read that agriculture is a primary economic activity. Many farmers are still dependent on monsoon and natural fertility. Indian agriculture needs some technical and institutional reforms. More than 60% population are involved in agricultural activity, so it requires reforms in technical and institutional fields. So let's study the steps taken by the government to reform agriculture. So the steps taken by the government are KCC, that is Kisan Credit Card. Next is Personal Credit Insurance Scheme. Next is Minimum Support Price. These schemes have been launched by the government. Today, Indian Council for Agriculture Research ICAR has also been established. To improve Indian agriculture, the steps taken by the government are agricultural universities, meteorological departments, horticulture centers have been set up. I repeat, they are agricultural universities, meteorological departments and horticulture centers have been set up. Do you all know that an Indian farmer does not want his son to be a farmer? If you know the answer, please drop in my comment box. Next is about food security. Food is a basic requirement for us. Everyone has the right to avail nutritious food. To ensure food security, government has carefully designed National Food Security System. It includes two parts. One is PDS, next is buffer stock. So let us study what is PDS. Children, you might have remembered about PDS and buffer stock, which we had read in class 9. Again I say you. In India, every town or village has ration shops who provide grocery items at subsidized rate to the BPL card holders. Now let's talk about buffer stock. It is a supply of inputs held as a reserve to safeguard against unforeseen shortages. For example, and it is insured by FCI, that is Food Corporation of India. For example, in 2014, when there was a flood in Jammu and Kashmir and there was a scarcity or shortage of grain, then FCI distributed grain crops in the flood affected areas. This is the usage of buffer stock. So that's all about the chapter we had studied. So let's have a quick review of this chapter. We had studied that 60% population in a country are involved in agricultural activity. We had read about three types of farming, that is primitive subsistence farming, intensive subsistence farming and commercial farming. Then we studied about the cropping season, that is Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. Then we read about grain and non-grain crops and non-food crops. We had also studied or discussed about the steps taken by the government to reform agriculture. We had also read about National Food Security System. So this is all about the chapter, children. Please do read about from the NCERT books for details. Thank you. Have a good day.